Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today, I'm going to take an English second paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is transformation, and today I'm going to discuss on affirmative to interrogative changing of sentence. Okay, let's start. See the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 7. Your subject is English second paper. Topic transformation from assertive to interrogative. I repeat again, to this topic is transformation from assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. This is your lecture number 12 and your HW number 9. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 12 and your homework number 9. Term half yearly, teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. Okay, let's start. Assertive to interrogative. At first, the first rule is affirmative sentence will be changed into negative interrogative sentence. Dear students, while you are changing assertive sentence in interrogative, one thing you will keep in mind that the negative sentences will be transformed into positive sentence and the positive sentences will be transformed into negative sentence. So the first rule is affirmative sentence, that means the positive sentence will be changed into negative interrogative sentence. For example, he is suffering from illness. This is an assertive sentence, and the interrogative sentence will be, isn't he is suffering from illness? This is interrogative. And look here, while we make interrogative sentence, we have to put the auxiliary verb at the very beginning of the sentence, and then as it's positive sentence we have used not, and is not in contraction isn't. So isn't is suffering from the illness is the transformed form of he is suffering from illness. Number 2, rule number 2, negative sentence will be changed into positive interrogative sentence. For example, he is not a dishonest man. This is a negative sentence. We can see here not is indicating the negativeness of the sentence, so we have to omit this while we are changing. The transformed interrogative sentence of this sentence will be, is he a dishonest man? And you have to keep in mind that you have to put the note of interrogation at the end of the sentence. Rule number 3, an assertive sentence having no auxiliary verb takes do, does or did for making interrogative sentence. This is very important. If the sentence carries auxiliary verbs, be verbs or have verbs or modal verbs, then those verbs will be used at the beginning of the sentence. But if the sentence doesn't have any kind of auxiliary verb, then you have to take do, does or did according to the personal tense of the sentence. Look, for example, he works hard for his examination. This is an assertive sentence. Here he is the subject, which is the third person singular number, and works is the verb. For this, there is no be verb in this sentence. For this reason, we have to take do, does or did. This is in present tense. For this reason, we have to take do or does, and he is here the subject, he is third person, so we have to take does. So, and this is a positive sentence, so we have to make it negative. So doesn't he work hard for his examination? This is the transformed interrogative of this sentence. Rule number 4, if you find never, then you will change this word with ever and nothing will be changed into anything. If I give some example, it will be very clear to you. For example, he never failed in the examination. In this sentence, never is indicated. Now we have to take did, and never will be transformed with ever. So did he ever, and you know that do, the verb do, does or did takes the base form of verb. Base form of verb. So though in the first sentence, in the assertive sentence, the verb was failed, in this sentence the verb will be in base form, that means fail. So did he ever fail in the examination? Number 2, we knew nothing about the matter. Here nothing, and as I discussed at the before, that nothing will be replaced by anything. So we will question, did we know, and nothing will be replaced by anything about the matter. So the answer of we knew nothing about the matter is, did we know anything about the matter? Rule number 5, nobody or none or no one will be replaced by who, and everybody will be replaced by who plus doesn't or didn't. For example, nobody believes a liar. The word nobody itself is negative, so we have to make this sentence positive while making interrogative. So nobody will be replaced by who, and then the rest of the sentence will sit here. So who believes a liar? The second sentence, no one can solve the problem. Again, no one will be replaced by who, and then the rest of the sentence will sit here. So no one can solve the problem will be transformed into who can solve the problem, and at the end of the sentence we will put a note of interrogation. So dear students, there are homeworks. Change the following sentences into interrogative. There are 5 examples here, and you have to do your homework number 9 for this class. These 5 sentences you will transform. All of these are in assertive sentences. You have to make them interrogative. The first one, we are proud of our freedom fighters. Number 2, she did not give up hope. Number 3, he goes to school in time. And number 4, the educated people should teach the illiterate. Number 5, he never tells a lie. So these are the 5 sentences. You have to transform this into an interrogative, and you will submit this homework. Okay, my dear students, that's all for our discussion about transformation of assertive sentences into interrogative. These are the most important rules. If you find any further difficulties, then please contact me, and try to read out the rules, the book, grammar book you have. Attend the online classes regularly and watch the YouTube class, and submit your homework on Saturday. So take care of yourself, study regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.